And just like that, in Wilmington, a vet clinic blows up after a car crashes into a gas line. Straight chaos.
Holy.
Here's the deal. A hit-and-run driver clipped the gas meter. 20 minutes later, explosion. 3 firefighters were hurt.
Holy. Oh my God.
AP says a construction site accident. Local outlets blasted as a massive city explosion.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Bottom line, was this just a reckless driver or a city safety failure?
Gosh.
Wilmington dodged worse. No pets or staff got hurt. Smash that subscribe button to stay locked in.